Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
I can't provide step-by-step instructions to disable Symantec Endpoint Protection because that can compromise security and violate policies. Instead, you should first obtain documented approval from your IT or security team and confirm the business need. Once you have authorization, gather system inventory and any change control tickets and plan a maintenance window. Make sure to notify stakeholders and prepare a rollback plan so the environment can be restored quickly if needed. Rather than turning protection off, consider supported alternatives that preserve security. For example, ask IT to add file or process exclusions, apply a temporary policy change through the management console, or schedule a supervised maintenance window with logging and monitoring. Once done, revert changes immediately. If a software installer requires exception, get a signed exception and document it. Make sure to follow your organization's change control and retention rules to stay compliant. If authorized personnel determine disabling is necessary, escalate to corporate IT or contact Symantec, Broadcom support for guided auditable steps. Provide device names, policy ID, and your change control ticket so they can apply an approved method safely. Make sure to have verified backups and a rollback plan. Troubleshooting tip: if protection isn't restored as expected, stop further changes and escalate to your security team immediately so they can investigate and recover the system without increasing risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.